Have you ever installed floodlights instead of regular streetlights for roadway lighting? Probably not, or very rarely. But guess what? We've just completed an incredible project. It's a 10-kilometer, two-lane road in Latin America. The previous lighting was outdated and had a very poor light level, which is why the customer wanted to upgrade it. The challenge we faced was to find a suitable replacement, as the spacing between the poles was a mix of 60 meters and 75 meters, and the poles are 19 meters high. Most of the streetlights in the market either do not have that high wattage or got too large size to install easily. Let's see what solution we offered for this project. We suggested the customer use our FL31 floodlight. This floodlight meets all the requirements and has the advantage of lightweight and small size, which ensured that the original pole arms could still support the new fixtures and save costs for unnecessary new poles. One of the highlighted features is FL31's tempered glass can protect the PC lens inside and slow the yellowing over time. We helped customer install FL31 400 watt and 600 watt using a specially customized arm mount or slip fitter bracket. Besides, considering the long distance between the poles, while we want to improve the overall lighting performance, so we customized a Type 2 optical distribution and achieved an uniformity of 0.6. On the other hand, we also help customer choose photo cell control to save even more energy. Now, if you review the entire project costs, using fewer poles with high-power floodlights would be wise when you have a limited budget for a new street lighting project. You see, our goal is to make the project as easy and cost-effective as possible for our customer. Whatever they need, we are here to make it happen. So if you have any special customization requests, you are welcome to reach out.